Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. In today's video, I'll be going ahead and quickly sharing with you makeup products that I have been using over the past few years. If you are looking forward to go ahead and build up your makeup kit, then I hope this video will help you in some way or the other. Everything is from the drugstore category. If you have clicked on this video and if you're watching this space for the first time, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right besides the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on my future videos as well. And now we can get started with the video. If you are a beginner and if you have large pores and if you need a primer, then I think there is one product that I can help you with. It has to be the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a primer which will help you in blurring out your pores if you have an issue of large pores. So if you are looking for a good primer, then I think this is the one. I am not into primers. This is the only primer that I have tried, and I do have mini samples of the Smashbox primers. I will definitely recommend this one to you, and again this is quite affordable and it is a 10-gram tube, and I will go ahead and list all the prices and the product information down below in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. So the next step is foundation, and these are the two foundations that I would highly recommend you. This is the Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and this is a mini tube. The only drawback I feel is that you don't get a lot of shades when it comes to this tube packaging, but you do have tons of shade to choose from the glass packaging. Next option I would like to give you is this one. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. I know this is a little expensive. It is for something around 700 to 800, but you can always get this on sale. If you are someone who deals with acne, blemishes and hyperpigmentation, then I think those foundations won't work for you. But if you are looking for something which is full coverage and which will hide all of your imperfections that you have on your skin, then I think you should definitely go for this one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundations. I do have two different foundations. One is in the shade 128 Warm Nude and the other one is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. You are looking for that high coverage and something that will cover all of your imperfections on your skin, then I think this is the foundation you can definitely go for. The next product I want to recommend is using a concealer. If this is the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer, and again I do have two different shades. This is the shade Sand Sable, and I have one more shade which is in my bag, which I don't have it right now over here, and that is in the shade called Golden. This is a perfect shade when it comes to brightening my under eyes and the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, but that shade, the golden shade, is something that I use when I have to go ahead and conceal any pigmentation or any scars or blemishes that I have, and when I want a very natural makeup look, that is when I go ahead and use that particular concealer. Now it's time to go ahead and set your makeup using a loose setting powder, and for that I do have two options right here. The first one has to be the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and the second one is the Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Primer Plus Mattifying Setting Powder. So these are the two loose setting powders that you can opt for. They are quite inexpensive and you can always get them on sale. This gives perfect coverage as well, and this is again a very finely milled setting powder. Okay, so since we are done with all of the base products, let's move on with some blushes and highlighters. So the first blush palette that I would like to go ahead and share with you, which is quite inexpensive and the quality is also amazing and top notch. So this is the palette that I'm talking about. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, and truly speaking, I am not a blush person. The only thing that I need is a good bronzer, but I had to go ahead and try out some blushes, so I went ahead and I ordered this one. For all of the shades that you get in this, you do have some pink, some orange, and these are some contour or bronzer shades that you get over here, and these are two highlighter shades. I personally love this highlighter shade. Let me just go ahead and swatch it for you. Do you see that? I mean, the shine is so amazing. It can act as a beautiful eyeshadow palette as well. You can go ahead and use this particular shade on your eyelid and it will look mesmerizing. So that is what I have in my inner corner. This is the shade that I have used in my inner corner and on my nose as well. If you don't want to carry three different things like a blush, a bronzer and a highlighter, then I think this is the palette you can definitely go for. So if you don't want to go ahead and invest in this huge palette, you can always go in with something like this. This is the Miss Claire blusher and this is in the shade called 02. Again, this is a very beautiful pink shade that you can see right here, and let me just go ahead and swatch this for you. This is how the shade looks like. It has a little bit of sheen to it, so you can go ahead and give that shine to your cheeks as well. And again, this is quite affordable and it's very compact. And for bronzer, again, I do have two more options for you. The two bronzers that I have right here. This is something that I have personally loved and I absolutely adore this bronzer. I love using this bronzer. This is the LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer and this is how it looks like, and I personally love this bronzer. It gives that perfect bronziness to your skin. The other one I have is this one right here. This is the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzing powder and this is a little cool toned compared to this one. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. It has a little bit of orange tint to it and this one is a little cool toned, as you can see right here. The two bronzers, if you don't want to invest in that bronzer palette or that blush palette, but that is what I have used today. I have used this blush, the bronzer and highlighter, everything from this palette, and also on my eyes I have used this palette. So this can also act as a beautiful neutral everyday go-to eyeshadow palette. Okay, so for highlighter, if you don't want to go ahead and invest in that palette, then I think you can definitely go for this one. This is the Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter and as you can see, I have hit pan on this particular highlighter. I'll just go ahead and swatch it for you. This is in the shade called Molten Gold. This is how it looks like. It is such a beautiful pretty shade. Okay, so the last and the final product I want to share with you is something that will keep your makeup long lasting, and it has to be a good setting spray. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro setting spray, and this is again for something around 700 to 800, but if you want an affordable option, then you can always go in with the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and this is aloe vera with vitamin E makeup fixer. I think we are done with all of the base products. I mean, everything that you need for your face, your skin, your eyes, blush, eyeshadow, everything is done. That is all I have for you today in this video, and I hope you liked watching this video, and I hope this video helped you in some way or the other. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.